Alright, so what we got going on here is a rare, I don't know how to pronounce it, Aria. Yeah, it's an air fryer. Probably give you a good, I'll probably do a picture of it or something, put that anyways. You can get the gist of what it looks like. Anyways, so it's an air fryer, and basically what happened was we were cooking some baked potatoes, and all of a sudden it just completely shut off. Nothing, no power or anything, no lights. Tried a different outlet and all that, nothing. So I tried to contact the supplier or the company. Couldn't get in contact with them at all, so they're about worthless. So I got this off of eBay, brand new, and only had it for like a week or so, and then it stopped working. Or then that happened. So I took it apart, which I guess I can show you the breakdown of how to get to the solution of the possible issue that you might have if you have the same issue. So that'll be on top of here, and you have this on top. So all you need to do is this just is clipped in. These are just clips. So just pull the clips off, and then you'll have access to up here. Yeah, I'm trying to think I'm telling you right. Then you'll have 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I think, was it? I think there's, sorry, I'm trying to remember, maybe 4 screws or so holding that on, and that just slide, pull it back like that, because you got the vent back, exhaust vent back here. You might be able to get away with just taking this piece off. Sorry, I'm not looking at the camera. Taking this piece off and be able to fix it from here. Oh, as I pull off my cover. Anyways, so this is where you would access it. So you might be able, if you can see, you might be able to, that's where you can access it. You might be able to get away with that. I'm not sure. I wasn't paying attention. Because I had it all torn apart already. So you might be able to do that without having to take all of this off. If you can, that'd be a lot easier. I just want to point that out. So anyways, what the problem is something happened. So this wire is your power wire. So it comes in here. I already fixed it. So it comes in here, comes in here, loops back around, then comes into here, and then that feeds all the way to the board right here. So for some reason it failed in this section right here. I looked in there and I didn't see anything that could possibly. It was just looped around, and it's tied onto this shield underneath. So I don't know what the purpose of that is. I didn't see it. Just I don't know what the point is. So anyways, it lost connection here, or it has basically, I guess the wire broke or whatever happened underneath there. So all I did was just cut it here and here, and re-spliced it and put a new crimp on it, a butt connector, and it works fine. I can plug it in and let you see. Okay, as you can see, it's working. See, it's working now. So you got the lights on. Yeah, I wish I didn't take a video before. I would have shown you how I had no power before, but that's basically what was going on. So I mean, it's fixed, but it's pretty sad that a company can't get in touch with the company that made this, especially when you had it for like a week, like I said. And I actually tried to run anything. I'm not going to do that until I put it back together, but that was the only problem I had, was it just completely lost power. Hope this helped out. Okay, so it's all back together. So see, it turns on, and then that's how you put your food in there, put your time set and all that. Here it turns on. Anyways, so you got it turned on and it's working. So I hope this helped out.